I'm glad these fucking MAGA cultists don't give a shit what the Supreme Court has to say, so they can set the precedence for us in the future saying, don't care.
Dad, you notoriously think this guy should in that jail, should never get to come back to America. The Supreme Court has said he must come back.
Dad never said that about that guy.
Yeah, he did.
Yes, he did last week.
I thought we said that we thought he was a gang member, and that's what.
Fine. He should stay where he is.
The Supreme Court said
Don't care.
he has to come back.
There you go. If he doesn't come back, they'll have to send out their little subpoenas or whatever they do.
So you think then that Trump and anybody in Trump's administration, I guess, should completely ignore the Supreme Court?
Yes.
No. If he's not a gang member, he needs to come back. So.
Even if he is a gang member, which he's not, the Supreme Court has said you must bring him back, and we want daily briefings on what you know about.
And if you don't, what are they going to do to him?
The only thing that the judicial system really can use, I think, is U.S. Marshals. But you could have Trump or whoever they're going to hold accountable for this in the administration arrested.
Well, let's wait and see what happens.
And that is the prevailing thought process we're getting out of Magland, right? Trump can do whatever he wants. Fuck the Supreme Court. We don't have to listen to them. We'll listen to them if we agree with them. But if we disagree with them, they can go fuck themselves. This guy's brown. We want him gone. Doesn't matter if he's not a criminal. Doesn't matter if he doesn't have a criminal record. Doesn't matter. None of this stuff matters. We want him gone, so he's gone. Trump can do what he wants. So, the next Democratic president that comes along can say, for example, I don't care that the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Abortion is legal in this country, and any governor that tries to stop it, I'll fucking go to war with that governor, and you're going to allow abortions in your state again. Texas, Florida, Indiana, North Carolina, wherever we've seen any of these laws. Maybe North Carolina is not one of them, I don't know. The next Democratic president can just say, we don't fucking care what the Supreme Court said about it, right? I mean, because that's the precedence you guys are setting. Don't care. We can do whatever the fuck we want. We're in power now. I'm glad to know that that's the precedence going forward. Why even have a Supreme Court? Why not just disband the Supreme Court right now? They have absolutely no jurisdiction in the United States of America, according to MAGA. We just had a unanimous Supreme Court decision. You know how fucking rare that is? We had a unanimous Supreme Court decision, 9-0, in which the Supreme Court said that the administration must facilitate the return of this man. And the administration went, yeah, don't care. And the people online are going, yeah, don't care. So there's the precedence. The next Democratic president, we don't have to listen to the Supreme Court, folks.